Hello from Death Valley,
California.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be driving through just different parts of Death Valley. There is a lot you can see and do here, but we kind of picked off some of the bigger ones that you can just see on this little loop that we're doing, and we're going to show you what you can do in a day of driving outside of Las Vegas.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's do this.
It is 114 degrees.
There's not even a word to describe how hot it feels. It's like when you open the oven for the first time after you've had something cooked and that like rush of hot air comes at you. That's what it's like walking around outside just the whole time.
We're gonna go to Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes.
It's a hot one out there.
P&W people ain't gonna last long out here. Holy
Hell no. We are at the Mesquite Sand Flat Dunes, and these dunes are actually created because it's perfect conditions. You've got sand, you've got wind, and you've got the mountains on both sides to keep them here. So pretty crazy. It's about 14 square miles of sand dunes, and we need to get back to the car before we burn to death.
But the burst of the flames right here. Holy cow.
But it is really cool. It is not recommended to hike past 10 a.m. out here, and I can see why, because it is hot.
This should be another word for hot.
It is molten hot lava out here.
All right, on to the next.
I would say it's a little toasty outside today. We stopped at the Furnace Creek Visitor Center. We're not going to go inside today, but it's open Monday, or 8 to 5. If you want to check out what's in there. I think it's a little hot outside today. I don't know. What do you think? Is it a little hot? Alright, we are headed up Artist Drive. It is, I believe, a 9-mile road that leads through the mountains, but it takes about 45 minutes to drive through it. It's a one-way road coming up here, so take your time. So I'm super excited to drive through here and see the beautiful, picturesque, colorful mountains. So
Wow.
Here we go.
No, how the rain and all that stuff throughout the millions of years oxidizes the metals in the rocks. That's why it gives off such an amazing
Patina.
colors.
There's all sorts of colors in these rocks. You've got greens, maroons, browns, reds.
And the tumbleweed.
It's just beautiful.
By the way, it's still hot.
But it's down to 112.
Oh yeah, I can feel it.
Do you feel the difference?
Feel it. Devil's Golf Course.
Crystallized salt composites. So crazy.
Welcome to the lowest point
In
in
the
North
United States.
America.
North America? Oh, wow.
We are at 282 feet below sea level.
And guess what? It's still hot AF. I think it's hotter.
It's amazing. All this salt. Got some salt for the margarita.
Oh, hey. Go.
There's a little plaque way middle of the mountain that says sea level. Crazy. Badwater Basin got its name from an old miner guy. Brought his donkey out here, and his donkey wouldn't drink the water. Badwater Basin. There you go.
Keep it simple.
Yeah. Where are we going next?
To the Oasis?
I don't know. We're going to the bar?
Oh.
I wish.
There's all.
Don't look at me! Look at that!
Oh.
Look at that!
We're gonna go check out the sand dunes.
We're gonna go to Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes for a couple seconds.
Hey, we said we were gonna show you the sights. We didn't say how long it was gonna take.
In the summertime, the site's pretty
You
short.
go quick.
Yeah. I'll put everything in slow motion. Okay? Alright.